English tongue twisters are a fun way to work on one or two sounds at a time to get the pronunciation just right. Start by saying the tongue twister slowly, then try to speed up. Challenge your friends to try to say them fast several times in a row.
Unique New York. New York, unique New York. New York, unique.
Plain bun, plum bun, bun without plum. Plain bun, plum bun, bun without plum. Plain bun, plum bun, bun without plum. Is best put in the tongue.
I cannot bear to see a bear bear down upon a hare. When beareth hair he strips the hair, right there I cry, forbear.
Picky people pick Peter Pan peanut butter. Peter Pan peanut is the peanut picky people pick. Picky people pick Peter Pan peanut butter. Peter Pan peanut is the peanut picky people pick.
Mr. Tongue Twister tried to train his tongue to twist and turn, and twit and twat, to learn the letter T.
Knife and a fork, bottle and a cork, that is the way you spell New York.
I'm a sheet slitter. I slit sheets. I'm the sleekest sheet slitter that ever slit sheets.
Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup. Lily ladles little Letty's lentil soup.
Tommy Tucker tried to tie Tammy's turtle's tie. Tommy Tucker tried to tie Tammy's turtle's tie. Tommy Tucker tried to tie Tammy's turtle's tie.
Rattle your bottles in Rolex van. Rattle your bottles in Rolex van. Rattle your bottles in Rolex van. Rattle your bottles in Rolex van.
Send toast to 10 tents, South Saints 10 tall tents.
Old oily ollie oils, old oily autos. Old oily ollie oils, old oily autos.
Mrs. Smith's fish sauce shop.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
Which wristwatch is a Swiss wristwatch? Which wristwatch is a Swiss wristwatch? Which wristwatch is a Swiss wristwatch?
This is the sixth zebra snoozing thoroughly. This is the sixth zebra snoozing thoroughly. This is the sixth zebra snoozing thoroughly.
Scissors, sizzle, thistles, sizzle. Scissors, sizzle, thistles, sizzle. Scissors, sizzle, thistles, sizzle.
How much dew does a dewdrop drop if dewdrops do drop dew? They do drop, they do as do dewdrops drop if dewdrops do drop dew.
Willy's rear wheel went wonky once. Once Willy's rear wheel went wonky.